Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to write an application for a mason position using a complete sample letter and detailed explanations. Before we break it down, let's start with a quick definition. A job application letter is a formal document written by an applicant to a potential employer, expressing interest in a job position and highlighting qualifications, skills, and reasons for being a good fit for the job. It helps employers understand who you are, what you can offer, and why you are the right candidate. Now let's go through the sample letter step by step so you understand exactly what to write in each part. We begin with the applicant's personal details placed at the top, left aligned. In this letter, we see Christopher Malone, 5816 Pine Meadow Lane, Rochester, NY1 4609. Email christopher.malone@email.com. Phone 585-402-1984. This section is important because it provides the employer with your full contact information. It includes your name, address, email, and phone number so that the hiring manager can easily reach out if they want to schedule an interview. When writing your own letter, always make sure this information is correct and updated. Next, we add the date. In the sample, it is written as date, March 15th, 2026. Writing the date shows when the letter was created and is a standard part of business letter formatting. It helps keep records clear and organized. After the date, we include the employer's details, such as the company name and address. In this sample, it reads, Hiring Manager, Empire Construction and Stonework, 2431 Kensington Road, Buffalo, NY 14226. This section tells the employer that the letter is specifically intended for them and shows professionalism. Whenever possible, it is a good idea to address the letter to a specific person, but if the name is unknown, using hiring manager is acceptable. Next, we write the subject line, which states the purpose of the letter in a short and clear sentence. Subject: Application for Mason position. The subject line makes it immediately clear what the letter is about, especially useful when companies receive many applications and need to sort them efficiently. Now we move on to one of the most important parts, the salutation. In this sample, it is written as, Dear Hiring Manager. The salutation is the greeting of the letter, and it should always be polite and professional. If you know the person's name, you can write something like Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Green. If the name is unknown, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and respectful choice. Now let's explain the first main paragraph of the letter. I am writing to apply for the mason position at Empire Construction and Stonework. With over 5 years of professional experience in bricklaying, concrete work, stone masonry, and surface finishing, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your projects and workmanship standards. This paragraph introduces the purpose of the letter and briefly presents the applicant's qualifications. It states the job title clearly and highlights key skills relevant to masonry. It is important to be confident and specific here because the first paragraph helps make a strong first impression. Mentioning your relevant experience immediately helps the employer see that you are a serious and qualified applicant. Now let's move to the second paragraph. In my current role at Iron Valley Masonry in Rochester, I work on residential and commercial construction, including wall installations, foundation repairs, and decorative stonework. I am known for my precision, reliability, and commitment to following safety guidelines while maintaining high-quality craftsmanship. This paragraph goes deeper into work experience. Here, the applicant provides examples of the kinds of projects they have handled and highlights qualities valued in construction work, such as precision, reliability, and safety awareness. When writing your own letter for a hands-on position like masonry, it is always helpful to mention specific tasks you perform and the strengths you bring to the workplace. It shows that you not only have experience, but also take pride in your work. Now we move to the next paragraph. Empire Construction and Stonework has a strong reputation for excellence, and I would welcome the opportunity to bring my skills and dedication to your team. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This paragraph shows that the applicant has taken the time to appreciate the company. Employers like to see that you understand their business and truly want to work with them. This paragraph also confirms availability for an interview, which is essential in any application letter. It reminds the hiring manager that the applicant is ready and willing to further discuss the job. Now, the closing statement reads, "Thank you for considering my application. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team." This closing sentence is polite and professional. It expresses gratitude, restates availability, and ends the letter with a positive tone. In any job application letter, being polite and appreciative is very important. Finally, the letter ends with the closing and signature. Sincerely. Signature. Christopher Malone. Sincerely is one of the most commonly used and professional closings for job application letters. After that, you include your name, and in a printed letter, you would also add a handwritten signature. If sending digitally, typing your name is acceptable. Before we end, let's talk about some final tips and reminders. When writing an application letter like this, always keep your tone professional, respectful, and confident. Focus on the skills and experience that relate directly to the job you are applying for. Make sure your contact details are correct and try to personalize the letter as much as possible to the company you are writing to. Finally, always proofread your letter before sending it to avoid spelling or formatting mistakes that can weaken your application. And that is the complete breakdown of how to write an application for a Mason position. By understanding each section clearly, you will be able to write your own professional and effective job application letter. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials, and keep practicing to improve your writing skills.